Model, 69 plate Ford Transit Custom 322.0 Eco Blue 130 PS low roof double cab factory fitted crew cab limited van smiling face with hearts. Body, black, crew cab. Mileage, 91,994. MOT, the 29th of September 2024. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 Eco Blue 130 PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. No warning lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. First to see will definitely buy this grin. Features, full service history, parking sensors, air con, cruise control, 2 keys, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £16,495. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0